Hi, my name is Alex Huggins, and first off, I'd like to thank you all for coming and listening to my speech. And my speech is going to be about 3D printing advancements in the last couple of years and globally. And the time is now to learn about 3D printing because 3D printing is in a rapid climb, and the industry will rise from a net worth of $5.8 billion to $55.8 billion in 2022. And ever since I heard about 3D printing, I've pretty much been interested about the topic, and ever since then, I've done a lot of reading of articles and stuff like that, dozens of articles that range from medical field 3D printing to just like any personal use 3D printing. 3D printing can be applied to an array of different practices in the world, and that ranges from the medical field to robotics to architecture to art and to many more things. My goal in this speech is to inform you all about the rapid increase in usage of 3D printing and the advancements in 3D printing. 3D printing is the process of three-dimensional solid objects being made from a digital file. These objects are made by setting dynamic layers of any material, plastics, and the 3D models. The 3D models changes from taking weeks to make a 3D model, like for your prototype, and then taking days instead, and you can just print it out really easy. And it's less difficult to make, and it's more affordable to make, and also has less waste. The next point I like to make is 3D printing can be utilized to make mind-boggling parts that have different geometries and custom assembling strategies cannot provide. And 3D printing started off strictly plastic-based, and now it has veered into even metal print 3D printing and steel 3D printing. And you do that by powder fusion. Powder fusion is the most used 3D metal printing, and that is by laying down powder metal into a powder bed and using a laser to create thermal fusion with the powders, and you could do that layer by layer to create a 3D object. The powder bed is lowered after you do each layer, and it just stacks up just like the plastic 3D printing does. And being able to manufacture parts with metal instead of just plastic adds another aspect to the 3D printing world, because it's giving the engineers the opportunity to make stronger, more weight-bearing objects with metal instead of just plastics. And 3D printing is here and altering the assembly scene. It offers a heap of advantages, including less waste, creativity, and customization freedom. So you could literally make a crown that is created to fit in somebody's mouth. Just like on 3D printing, you just have no limitations, and it is easily accessible and affordable. Thank you for listening to my speech, and now you're all caught up on 3D printing.